Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. My name is Imran and you are watching my channel UTech Expert. Uh, in the last video we will cover a practical number 3A, but in this video we will cover a practical number 3B. So let's see. The task is very simple. Write a program to find out the average of any 4 numbers. In this program we have two tasks. First task is that the calculate average. So how can we calculate? We calculate according to the 4 numbers value. So how can we get a 4 numbers? We can get a 4 numbers from user. So that is the main task in this program. So let's see the code we will follow. Very easy, very simple program. So that is the code we will follow. 10 to 40 140 line program, very easy, very simple. 30 line number 30, line number 40, 50, 60, same procedure. Input, 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 input. So with the help of input we can get a value from user. We get a 1 value, 2 value, 3 value, 4 value. So 4 value we will be get and 4 value we will be display in line number 90, 100, 10, 20, 30, 30. So we use input statement for getting value. We use print statement for display. Main task is to calculate the total value and the average. Let's see in practically. So these are codes I was type. And let's see first results, then we will discuss in deeply. How can we run? Control break and through the F2 command we can run a program. So as you can see, enter a first value. When user gives a 5, then press enter, then second message will be appear, enter a value 2. So we will give a 10, and then third line gives a 3 and enter a number 3 value. We will give a 3, and last we will give a 6. So we give a 4 values, 1 2 3 4. When press enter, then they display all the things. The first value is 5, second value is 10, third value is 3, 4 value is 6, and then total is 24, and the last average is 6. So that is the result of our program. Let's discuss. Back to the program. Clear screen with CLS and type list for watching all the lines of program. So let's discuss. In the first line, with the help of list we can view all the lines in the recent program. So our main program start from CLS. So 10 to 130 line program, very simple. In the first line, when the first line will be execute the CLS command, with the help of CLS command, screen will be clear. So in the second line is very important. Type input. With the help of input we can get a value from user. So you can watch on input statement video on my channel. It is also very informative and easy. So in simple words I will tell you, the input statement is used to get a value from user. So input, type input, start quotation and close quotation, that is the syntax, and between the quotation we can give a message for user why we are getting a value. So message is very simple, enter a number 1 value. So and type a single comma and give a variable name, because we give our num1. So that's why when user gives a value, then the value will be stored in the num1 variable. So num1 is a variable. So in the first line we will get a first value, and the first value will be stored in the variable num1. So same procedure we will follow 4 times. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 times we will get a value from user. And in the line number 60 is very simple. Num1 and num2 and num3 and num4. So sum of 4 number and then store in the total variable. Total is a variable that's contain a total of these variable values. So suppose num1 is storing a 5, num2 5, num3 5, num4 5. So every time the value will be stored in the total variable. So we use again a variable avg. So why we use? Because we want to get an average. So according to similar name we use a avg variable, and then the use a formula which is the divided by 4, because we get a 4 values from user. That's why we divide a 4. If we get a 5 value from user, then we will change into divide by 5. So that is a very simple formula for getting a average. So in the total variable we have a total values according to the user given. So that's the very simple formula. So avg contain average. So avg is a variable which is contain our results. So in line number 80, 90, 100, 10, 20, 30. So these all are a printing statement. And that's the purpose. Very simple. Just print a variable value, because we use a num1. Num1 is a variable, and then the value of num1 is displayed. That's the message for user. Num1 value is according to the user. Suppose user gives 5, then we will we can show on the screen value 1 is equal to 5. 5 will be displayed with this message. So same procedure every time with print statement. Num1 value show on the screen, num2, num3, num4. So all 4 variables variable value will be shown on the screen, and then we can display our total value. As you can see, we use total variable, and last we can show average. So avg is a variable, total is a variable, and all num1, num2, num3 and num4 are variable which is containing a value according to the user. So these all are variables, just display a value. So finally we will see the results. So press F2 for run. As you can see, first message will be appear. We give 5, 6, and then second we will 5, 3, 2. So we will give 4 values and then press enter. As you can see, the one value is 6 according to the user, 5, 3, 4. So 4 values will be successfully given, and 4 value we will be display, and the 2 lines is very important. Last the total and the percentage, average. So that's a very simple and very easy program. Thank you.